What's up guys, today on Rebels Off-Road we're going to be unboxing, giving a review on our Seizmik side mirrors for our Kawasaki KRX. But first go smash that like button and subscribe for more great Rebels Off-Road videos. We're going to get right into it. Now these side mirrors fit a ton of other UTVs, and also there are other sizes available from Seizmik that you can check out. Alright, so we got our box right here. We're just going to go ahead and open it up, check out what's inside. Got some little logos on the side there. Pretty nice box. Okay, right. Let's see what's inside. Packaged good, all right. Now these side mirrors come with a lifetime warranty. They have one of the best warranties in the business. So hopefully we won't have to try that out, but we're gonna check these out. Okay, so we got some packaging. All right, there we go. Got another box in here. Pull these out. That's gonna be anything else. Package slip. All right, we got these little inserts. It says Seizmik. They are green to match my rig. They have a bunch of different colors though. As you can see, you can get red, yellow, green, or blue. This matches my rig pretty well though, so. Let's get out the actual fun stuff. Okay. Let's check out these ones right here. These ones are universal fit for any 1.75 diameter roll cage. All Razor models, Ranger models, Rhinos, YXZ, John Deere, all Gator models, Arctic Cats, and Mule 3000 or 600 models. Apparently these also fit the Kawasaki KRX, which is what we're gonna be using them for. Obviously we're gonna figure that out right here in a second. Just be aware that these will fit a bunch of different side-by-sides. Ooh. I like this packaging already. Okay, so here's some more of their other products. Nice on their packaging. Oh, so we got these little clamps here, little hinge, 2-piece hinge. That's cool. All right, little rubber piece there with the hardware. Got some instructions, sweet. Some more advertisements, it looks like. All right, missing or broken parts, little warning. If you have any missing or broken parts, go ahead and return them or they will ship them out quickly. So there we go, much more advertisement. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Now, this is what we came for right here. Okay, so, ooh, nice and lightweight there. All right, that's a nice mirror. A little smudge on it, no big deal. So what you do is this little insert, I guess, pops out. Yeah, we're gonna mess with that later. Okay, so the housing's made out of ABS plastic, impact plastic. Everything's covered under this warranty though. So you can get an aluminum housing, you can get this ABS plastic housing, doesn't matter, still covered under the warranty. And I think these look pretty nice. Okay, so, all right, and there's the second one. Sorry about the glare. And same thing with this, got this little hardware. Another clamp with the hinge. Okay, don't see. Are we missing something here? I feel like we're missing something. Maybe it's in here, I think. Surely this comes with a sticker. I mean, they got all this advertisement here, right? But where's my fucking sticker? So you manufacturers, you still haven't learned. If you send Rebels Off-Road a product, include the sticker. Come on. I mean, am I completely off on this, guys? Let me know down in the comments. Anyways, we're gonna pull in the side-by-side and get these installed and check them out. So all you need to install, besides your adult beverage of choice, is an 8 Allen key and a flat blade screwdriver if you're gonna be changing out your color inserts. So we got that. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, first step, and we're gonna get this installed. Let's go. So let's show the order of install. So basically you're gonna put this clamp on, you're gonna put the rubber there, and then your bolt and washer are gonna go through there, through that rubber, and into the threaded hole there. We installed it kind of loose, so we can adjust it to the position we want it in. So let's go ahead and get in the side-by-side, check out where exactly we want it, and then we'll tighten it down. Up a little bit, go. That looks just about how I'd want it. Right about like that. Maybe down a little bit more. Yeah. sweet. So a lot of people will tell you these are basically like the Kawasaki OEM ones. Seizmik actually makes the Kawasaki OEM ones. The difference, I believe, is that these ones are ABS plastic and the Kawasaki OEM ones are more like, I believe they call them the Chase Seizmik mirrors, which are a little bit more pricey, have the same exact warranty on them, and are about the same size. They just have the mountings a little bit different, and like I said, the housing is made out of aluminum instead of this ABS plastic. We're gonna tighten down this bolt right here, and hopefully it'll stay in place nice and tight. Now we can adjust it a little bit more, but that's looking pretty good. We're gonna do the other side and then we'll change out the color tabs.
A few moments later.
So we got them both installed. It's got a decent view range. You're gonna see what's behind you. You're gonna see a little bit what's to the sides of you. It's gonna at least get you road legal. And that's my view on that side. There is a little nut down here to tighten this up here. This is actually pretty loose when it comes. I think that's for adjustment. So we are going to have to probably adjust it some more before tightening up this nut here. So I think that's pretty good for that side. Honestly, that's about as good as it's gonna get on that side. So we're gonna tighten up that nut. Of course, it's a 10 millimeter to tighten this up, and I couldn't find it. So after looking and looking, I finally came up with it, but yeah, always have spare 10 millimeters is my point, I guess.
That's all that I'm driving at, really, if you think about it.
And tighten this up. So pretty loose. See how much tighter we can get this. A little bit more. I've heard people say that these will just flop back in the wind, so you got to make sure that the tension on it is tight enough that when you hit bumps and stuff like that, it's not going to fling back. So that's pretty good for me. I'm going to do a final adjustment, tighten up the other one, and we'll take a look. There's a little plastic. I mean, these are basically little plastic pieces. We're gonna check the color up against the side-by-side. It's not exact, but it's pretty close. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it. This one's a little bit lighter color than this, but close enough. I think it's worth it to just for a little added flair, you know?
Some sparkles, bitch.
Okay, so this should just pry right out. Get you a flat blade screwdriver and stick it in the little notch here.
So we're just done with phrasing, right? That's not a thing anymore?
And should just pop right out like that. There's a little clip there. Then the other colored insert goes in the same way. Basically, you take this tab, put it in there first, and then you just press and you should hear a little snap, little pop. There we go. And that's all there is to it. All right, and now they're both installed. They look pretty sweet.
Very nice. How much?
Now, these mirrors did cost a little bit more than just your generic everyday mirrors that you can get like on Amazon or eBay and what have you, but they do have lifetime warranty. Doesn't matter what you do to them. If you break them, they will replace them. This style of mirror, even if you get the really cheap ones, you're still gonna be out about 40 or 50 bucks for it. A lot of those will come out of adjustment or they'll just fall apart, break on the trail. I've heard people have their glass actually fall out on bumps and stuff like that. So if that happens with these Seizmiks, you just basically get a new pair.
For free!
That alone, I think is worth it compared to this same style mirror, maybe in a cheaper variety. Now, this being a sports style side mirror, you don't have as much view area as you would on like a utility style side mirror. For me personally, I kind of wish there was a little bit more view area, but these are right in line with a lot of the other sports style side mirrors as far as viewability. So, I mean, that's personal preference. If you really want to be able to see the maximum view area, you really should be looking at those kind of utility style mirrors instead of these sleek looking sports style mirrors. These do look pretty sick. I mean, you got the color matched green there. I mean, it doesn't quite exactly match. You can see the little bit of difference, but pretty cool little feature there. So am I happy that I bought them? Absolutely. I'm very happy I bought mirrors. These mirrors, I think, are going to serve me much better than the cheaper versions I was looking at. I think that I will get used to the view area, and I think I'll be happy with it. Hey guys, check out the new Rebels Off-Road merch. I posted a link down in the description where you can check it out for yourself. Super comfy, and look, it's even got "Where's my sticker" on the back. So check it out and get yours today. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Go smash that like button and subscribe for more great videos. Check out this one right here, and we'll see you next time.